Hello everyone, welcome back again in another video. Today I am very excited to introduce this smart LED projector Pixaplay 58 from Zebronics. So welcome back to our channel, your one-stop channel for this tech updates and gadget review. So in today's video I am going to unbox it and test it out, all its features, and we will go to test this projector. This projector claims it will brings a home theater experience right in your living room. So let's see if this budget projector can really bring cinema to your living room. So before starting video, if you are new here to our channel, please do subscribe to TechnoWaves and hit that bell icon so you can never miss any updates. So let's get started. Here's the box of Pixaplay 58. As you can see, Zebronics branding. It has a sleek design, colorful branding, and Zebronics has highlighted some features. Here on the back you can see it has 11,500 lumens, up to 533 centimeters of screen size, multi-connectivity, and it has 1080 pixels of FHD. And on the back you can see it has app support, 50,000H lifelong LED lamp, and it can support Miracast and for iOS screen mirroring. So let's begin with unboxing. Wow, look at this cool projector. It's come in white color. Yes, very aesthetic. Now you can see inside the box we got this HDMI for mirror casting and this power cable and remote control itself. As you can see, got a fabric for cleaning the lens and our user manual. So here's our cinema hall. I mean a projector. As you can see, it's really look premium, guys. And here's the star, the Pixaplay 58. So first impression, it's look very stylish, compact, and yes, it's not too heavy and not too light. It's got a white finish body with the Zebronics logo on the top. As you can see, on the front we will find the lens with focus adjustment. We have to remove this. Here we get lens, and on the top we get to see here focus adjustment, and on the front we get this panel for power on this projector and for other functions. And on the back here you can see it has a inbuilt speakers, and here's the power port. And on the side here you can see, and here we got one headset input, one AV input, two HDMI, and here is the third one, HDMI for audio output, and two USB ports. And here's the inbuilt speaker. So now talking about its features, it comes with full HD 1080 pixels resolution support with crisp and clear visuals, and it has 11,500 lumens with up to 533 centimeter of screen size, with multi-connectivity as I have already explained, and it has dual speakers with built-in for stereo sound, and it has Android 9 built-in, so you can easily install apps, streams, and even mirror your smartphone's screen directly with your projector. Now okay, enough talking. Now let's power this on and see it in action. I have plugged on. Now let's on. Yes, you can see the projector is on now. Here you can see my projector is now on. As you can see, the interface is very smooth and user friendly. You get quick access to apps, settings. So the interface is very smooth, guys, and very user friendly. You can get access to the apps and settings and inputs from the home screen, and you can even watch YouTube, Netflix, and you can also customize whatever applications you want. So you can watch Netflix also, and if you want to watch any other apps, so you can just install from Play Store, and yes, you're good to go. And it is controllable by this remote control. Just you have to go to settings and connect the Wi-Fi here. Tap on add Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi is, I have selected the network. Now just enter your password of your Wi-Fi. After entering the password, you can see it's connecting. Yes, now you can watch whatever you want. You can see here streaming works flawlessly. Look at the colors, vibrant and it's look very vibrant and punchy. The text is sharp and clear. Here you can see, and the built-in sound also very nice. So the dual speakers are decent. So you can see the text is sharp and clear. Even fast moving action scenes play smoothly. And one thing remember, if your YouTube is not working, you have to make sure that your projector should be set on date and time as per your country. And so that's it guys. Here is the cool features, wireless screen mirroring. Whether you want to cast your mobile videos, presentation or games, it works seamlessly. So guys, after testing it out, here's what I really like the most. So large screen projection, as you have already seen, smart features with Android apps, and it can accessible and can supported by iOS also, multiple connectivity options, compact stylish design. Works best in a dark or dim light room for maximum clarity. And also it doesn't come with so this Zebronics smart LED projector Pixaplay 58 is a solid choice if you're looking for a budget friendly home projector with smart features, perfect for movies, binge watching and even casual gaming. It like carrying a mini cinema in your bag. So this is the another video of projector guys. I have already uploaded 2 to 3 videos of, this is our latest projector from Zebronics. That's it. Drop your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit that like button, smash that Technowaves channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on more awesome tech videos. Until next time. So stay tuned and stay techy. Thanks for watching.